Hey, what up, YouTube and Mercedes folks? Alright, you seen the video. I dropped my pan, dropped the valve body, did the conductor plates, solenoids, shift kit, all kind of shit. And it just goes to show, maybe some simple inspection should happen first, which I know better. I was a fucking avionics technician for going on like 8 years, but man, I decided since I didn't fix it, I was gonna move to the next thing. Fuck, I got a cramp. Which is normally this plug that goes into the trans right under. Everybody's seen it. There's two seals in this connector. You always use a new connector whenever you take out the valve body. There's another O-ring on it itself, and what it's supposed to do is keep fluid from being pushed into the pins and into the actual wiring, because bad shit happens. The wire ain't made for transmission fluid to flow through, but it'll happen, and when it does, it turns out pretty bad. I had to remove all the heat wrap shielding, and I was like, man, this thing has got some funky colors on it. Looks like a fucking anaconda or some shit, but that's not the bad part. That's the bad part. Yeah. That's bad. That's pretty bad. I don't even know which wire that is yet. But I just decided to come out here, and it was bothering me. I was like, man, I gotta check this. I have to check it. Because I gave up on it being a hydraulic problem when it would run perfect out of the gate. Started up, drive it. You got first, second, fourth, fifth, and lock up in the converter. Everything was doing great. Sorry, I'm shaky. It's like 30 degrees and I'm in shorts and sandals because I'm smart. Good morning, YouTube and ML folks. Back into the ML4Dirty. And last time we checked, we saw a little bit of bare wire there. This morning, I ended up pulling all the heat shielding back. And man, the destruction just goes and goes for, I don't know, at least 6 inches all the way up this harness. And this thing is just trash. If it's not showing bare wire, then it's smash shielding, and just a lot of abuse sitting right here between these fucking cats in the transmission. So just sitting here melting. There's no getting around it. It's the only place they could route it, I guess. Better heat shielding, maybe, because I don't even know how my truck was driving, period. I'm trying my best right now to separate these, and they are just all fused together. They are hard as rock. They finally do get better about here, but man, where that's at, to be able to splice stuff back in, that's pretty far, and it's a tight spot to try and get into with a heat gun, and to do all the to do it the right way with solder joints and everything. So if somebody real quick that's done this before, tell me how to get access to the interior part where these wires go in, because I just looked on the inside and there's no obvious spot in the carpet. I think the carpet is stood off of the actual floor, so it's not up against like directly against the metal here for the floor. I think it's pushed off. I'll show you what I mean. So that should be right there, and there is nada, like no bulge. I'm wearing harnesses, of course. It's Mercedes, so they did it right. Here's, I think, the drain tube for AC, and you can see its path through the carpet. It's that far until I touch actual metal. So yeah. I think I'm gonna have to take out at least this portion of the carpet, be able to take the sills off and stuff. Hopefully I don't have to pull the seat. Hopefully I don't have to pull any center console. Let me know if I can get by with just pulling this back. Other than that, I'm on the way to the junkyard, and I'm going to go snag some extra plugs. I'm gonna get a few while I'm there. Yeah, there it is. Shitty plug. Out from under the car. That one. Let's see where the problem starts. Is yeah, just just bad. So what they're saying, very common issue with the 722.6 transmission, is this 13-pin connector only uses 12 pins. Don't be confused. Pushes fluid through the pins. Fluid gets into the wiring, destroys the shielding. Oh my god, it is just, let's focus, camera. Wow. I've got one solid chunk of wire in my hand right now. I don't know how this thing was even driving. I did just have my TCM out, and it looks good. Nothing was fried, which is surprising. Looking at this, you can't even, they're so melted together. It is one wire. I cannot pull these apart. They're so heated up and melted. And they still had the factory heat shielding wrapped on it, and that silver stuff there obviously don't work. Oh shit, I'm on my way to pick and pull right now. I just attempted to pull the carpet up on the inside, and it is hard as a rock, just like the damn plug is. This camera loves not focusing. Need a new phone. Yep, so pulled the sill up by hand, took out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I'm not gonna do it at the junkyard like this. I'm using a fucking razor blade. You pull the rubber up, pull it towards you so you can get the cover off of here. The cover pulls out that way. It's got 2 tabs, upper and a lower one. Camera's not focusing. And then in the back here, it had a, oh, what the hell was it? Here we go. 5/16 or 8 mil little nut that was holding the cover on, like so. So let's get in there and unscrew that. It's on that portion in the back. Got a couple pictures I'll post up about it. So yeah, now we're here. Oh, don't forget about 3 of these little things. Should be able to remove them by hand. Just unscrew them. And they're located 1, 2, 3. Disconnect your drain hose for the AC condensation shit. And then yeah, do your best to move this carpet, because I don't think it's just the cold. I think it's the fact that, good lord, this thing's got some sound deadening to it. So I'm giving up on it for right now. Gonna go attack the junkyard, and I'm gonna end up slicing the carpet and finding the plug in this area somewhere where it probably joins a main body harness that travels under the carpet, from the pics that I've seen. And that's where I'm gonna pull it from. I'm gonna pull it from as high up as I can, get as much good wire as I can, and do all the splicing inside the vehicle. That's gonna be a whole lot better, longer lasting fix than ever doing anything that's outside, gonna be in the elements. So yeah, that's really all I got. Now I gotta jump in the race car and go to the junkyard. It's too bad I don't think I can fit new fenders in it. Whole list. These idiots, good lord, move it. God, I hate stupid people. Get the fuck out of my way. It's a green fucking arrow. Let's go.